Hey guys, it's Dale with eInsurance and your quirky question of the week. This week we've got a question that's actually up my wheelhouse. The question from our customer is, how are new buildings insured? And this brings me back to kind of my time as an underwriter with the Hartford Insurance Company, where there were a lot of construction or new buildings going up. And to answer your question directly, there is coverage directly, specifically for new buildings. It's called builder's risk coverage, and it covers kind of all of your insurable interests, mainly property, on a new construction site, against vandalism, fire, flood, things of that nature. And that's why if you go to a construction site, you may see a lot of equipment hanging on a boom 20-30 feet in the air, because they don't want that expensive material vandalized or anything like that. Builder's risk coverage is also used for kind of renovations, heavy duty renovations. And what you'll want to do is, obviously, through the time of it being constructed, or the property being constructed, or your home being renovated, you'll get this builder's risk policy. And then once the property is either sold or the inhabitants move back in its normal operations, you want to transition that to your normal concrete property policy. Contractors use it, homeowners use it. What I will say is that if you are doing a renovation on your home, there are some property policies that will actually cover renovations, so you may not even need a builder's risk policy. Most of the time, not most of the time, but all of the time, if it's new construction, you're going to need a builder's risk policy. But if it's a renovation, it's your home, check with your current property policy. You may not need it, and then you're all set. So that's essentially how new buildings are insured. That's our quirky question of the week. Remember, send your questions to questions@einsure.com, and we'll talk to you guys next week. Take care.